So now that we're working on here, we see that the choke will come up blocked by the frame. And that's the wrong carburetor on there. So we got the proper one to go on there. Let's go. We're back on this one. Time to get the welding done. Carburetor, the wheels done. Let's go. Got that thing looking good so far. We just ran out enough wiring. Welding wire, you know, we'll clean it up. Finish the top out, grind it down, and we'll be good to go. Things coming together. We want to finish welding that up in tomorrow, sand it down. Right now, let's get on this car. Got the top all welded like I promised. Time to clean it up, paint it. Let's go. That thing all grind it down, paint it. Let's go. She looking all good and mounted up. Time to assemble and let's get the building. Activity. Time to put all the tires back on the bead, clean all the beads off, get this thing tuned in and get out of here. Things all together, time for the tuning. Last wash off for the bad juju. You know how we do it, clean all in there. We want all this clean. Yeah, let's go. This thing need an oil change. We're gonna change the oil, got the gas filter cleaned out. Put some fresh gas in here, some fresh oil. Wheels nice and hard. We ready to go. Time to fill it up. Then we got another gas leak. I gotta fix that. Activity. Up and running. Fully serviced. Tires. Car, paint cop, fresh oil, gas. And we ready for pickup. That thing up and going. Activity. Get him in, get him out. Purring like supposed to. You know me, time to do a little witty 50 on the witty. Let me see some activity.